My name is Juana Miranda. I am TPM manager for Mondelēz in Lima plant. I have been working in the plant for almost 8 years. With TPM, since the beginning of my career, I started at P&G. Then in Mondelēz, I got the opportunity to be the TPM manager for the Lima plant. In terms of benefits, I see that the biggest one is the benchmark process. Internal TPM assessments and evaluations, but going through this TPM evaluation make us benchmark and see other realities outside our internal work. The opportunity to learn, because the continuous learning is also very important for us. And another thing is to standardize our work processes in the via of getting more close to the ideal state. Okay, our TPM consultant for Mondelēz was Mr. Shinotsuka. We worked for him during the first 2 awards, and the biggest learning that he gave us was to always challenge ourselves and continuously have this "let's go for more" phase in our site. They have started using TPM programs in our suppliers, and we have also as company started to teach them some of our base systems so they can be able to reapply our main work processes. It will be that it's very important to demonstrate how powerful can be the tool by unleashing the power of our people and to make them grow through the implementation of all the system and the work processes.